The Ryebreads are awesome. The Ryebreads are cool. We vlog at the pool. We vlog after school. We vlog as a family. We vlog every day. And none of us are born at night.
All right, good morning. It is Monday morning here at the beach. Yesterday was a long day, the day before was a long day, but it's all good because you wake up to this, you know how lucky you are. We are so lucky. Beautiful Ocean City, Maryland is in front of us. But of course, we have to leave this because we have things to do. All right, the girls are putting stuff away, so I need to go help them. All right, so we're back in Nanny's and Grandpa's. We have munchkins and donuts and pretty girls.
Good morning.
I like this elevator better.
Monday. Oh, it's Monday.
Monday. You like this elevator better?
Yeah.
In our place?
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Well, because it's really tiny.
It's a little nicer and you can see yourself. And
Yeah,
bigger.
really nicer.
And look at that. We're at the top floor already.
I know it's that's slightly up right there.
Go ahead.
Thanks, Emily. This is some entryway, isn't it?
Kaya. Wait, the two passengers.
Makeover day with Aunt Debbie. Kaya is getting her mascara.
Yep.
So pretty. Let me see you, Emily.
I need to get some more purple.
Let's see what happens.
Watch out, Kaya. Get out of the way. Abigail's got waterproof.
So can you look
I got waterproof mascara.
No.
Yeah, we didn't do that.
That's the thing.
I need to put that one on the other eye, right?
Okay, well, why don't I?
See Abigail.
All right, here's how to make it
Thank you.
Let's see you, Kaya. Oh, so pretty. A little bit of that.
It's my steroid cousins.
Okay.
Family's turn.
And you're a family of 5 or 6, 7?
there.
Your brother's
Okay, you want them a little bit more
I
want to do some. I like your toes.
All right, welcome to the lake. Grandpa's new fishing hole. We are going yachting, and Will, Jack have their drone.
You like that? The video's gonna be on the video later?
Yep, videotaping.
Come here, look inside.
We got Jack. He's doing his drone. He better not go over the water.
Servo.
Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not far.
All right, so we're having a wind issue here with the boats. There's not much wind this morning. It seems to be picking up as the day goes on. So we're kind of stuck in a rut here behind us. But I think the further out you go, where Michael is, the more wind you get. Looks like my dad wants to crash into the bushes over here. Be careful, Dad.
You can sail away, find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see.
Put that sail.
Oh my goodness, they just
That was a
hit.
penalty, Will.
There
Now
you
you-
go.
That's it. You can go right across his back.
Jack him.
So he can't pass you now. He's got to make a 180-degree turn.
Way to get aggressive, Will.
Got a race. Jack, it was,
Hey, you didn't go to the turn. You little cheater.
I was going to wait till the end when he beat you. Sails in, Will. Just stay that way. Keep it.
It's not far.
Good. That's good.
Never bad. Reason to take.
Come on. Come on.
Green stripe. Hit the left stick on number 664.
Oh, back in the water. Grandpa's giving chase. Come. That's nice. You guys are sharing the seat.
Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it. Just a dream of the wind to carry. Soon I will be free.
Success. Sailing expedition. We came home. We didn't break anything. That's a huge success.
That's it. Team of the success.
Yep.
Nothing's broken. We're not home yet, but
Yeah, that's right. They bike a lot.
Is your dad gonna come outside?
Prank time. Do not touch this because it's wet. Okay, people?
Who's that? Alright, stay back, stay back.
I told you
She just said don't touch it. She just said don't touch it. It's not wet.
It's wet some places.
Stop.
And you're going to ruin the surprise.
Next, he's going next.
You're done.
I couldn't do it good. This is like...
That was a nice way of putting it. No, I wouldn't have made that.
I'm trying to make the most of my time by importing the vlog. Everybody's at Chick-fil-A ordering food, and the Gallaghers are about to leave.
And Abigail a little bit.
All right, so
She's sort of in the like wants to be
watching the sun set, not set, but just the end of day hangout, beachside
She fell in love with that situation.
with everybody.
She did have a good time.
Nanny,
as well.
Grandpa,
You know, Jack
Aunt
Jack
Debbie,
is like the same
Aunt
thing too.
Catherine.
Like he's wanting to be more with the adults. And
And
which is-
Wendy.
You're gonna have to take your thing, walk around the store,
You don't have that
and
one.
see what you want to do. Are you recording?
I'm getting one of these.
Yes.
Oh my God. I don't want it. I want a I want this candy. I want a candy. I want one of those. Yes, right there.
All right, so the sun's setting right now, and the beach is kind of empty, but there is a fox that's down here in the grass, and he's mocking us down there.
Liar.
But here's a picture of the fox.
Well, that's
And
exactly what's going on with us.
Here's more video of the beach with nobody on it.
We're out at Johnny's place.
Everybody's left, and the girls, they're actually going out to get candy. Let's check in with them.
We're at this place.
Here we are at the candy shop. And the chocolate's down that way.
You think I would share? Mom, let's show it.
Here we go.
You know why? Some talking going on over here. Sharing is caring. Stuffed animals. Right?
Okay.
Show me.
Wait.
Here.
This is one of the animals I wanted.
Didn't that one have the same birthday as you?
No, it had my half birthday.
Oh, what's his name?
His name is Slush.
What?
No, this one's your half birthday.
Yeah, it's Slush.
Slush?
That's your half birthday.
And this one?
Tabitha. We have that one in the size of these.
You don't know the name of that one?
That one is Tabitha.
Tabitha, cute. Kaya, what did you get?
You got
Did you
Tabitha.
show any of the candy on your thing? What did you get, Kaya? Whoa!
I got a jumbo thing. A copy.
Laffy Taffy.
And then your mom got something.
And then I got Sour Patch watermelon stuff.
No fair, Sour Patch.
You think I would share?
Mom, look, show it Catherine vlogging.
Do you think I will?
Mom, show it Catherine.
Yay.
You know why? Sharing is caring, right? Don't we say that at home, Kaya? Sharing is caring? Okay, we're out of here. Look at this awesome, amazing, colorful, bright place.
Kaya, you might not want to leave this.
Okay, go for it. Emily, let
I'm fine.
Okay, let's get buckled.
It just tastes like watermelon a lot.
What kind of candy do you guys want?
Truffle.
Do you want to try this? A milk chocolate or a dark? Taste it. A milk chocolate or a dark? Okay, so now we're at Sensations Beach Store. Let's see what this brings. What do you have? Let me see. Oh, look at this pencil. And what is it?
A bottle.
Stop looking for them. Turn around. This is cute. What do you mean travel things?
Where you put on your fridge or something?
It's like a postcard?
Yeah.
Like we went to Ocean City?
Yeah. What? Is it a I'm a tin man.
Exactly.
I'm a tin.
Come back this way, Ab.
I'm going this way.
Dog on a leash. Hey! Hey! All kinds of things going on. Oh, good job. Whoa, Kaya. Oh boy.
Oh, it's good. Oh no,
This thing wasn't videoing.
I need sunglasses. Girls. I'm a boy. I'm a girl.
Careful.
Oh, well, girls don't matter to me.
Let's see, Kaya. Stay solid.
I have my
Beautiful. Okay, let's try another one. Awesome. Beautiful.
I don't know where my Olaf is.
Oh, where did he go? There he is. There he is. Abracadabra. Abigail.
I don't know where my
We're
Olaf
having fun here.
Would you look?
Oh, Peppa.
What?
What is that?
My guardian.
I don't know where they.
I don't know where my pepper is. My pet pepper. Like, it's right here in my hat. Oh, I love you, pepper.
Pass it over.
Okay, try this one. Put this one on your ear.
What is that?
Let's switch. Don't step on it.
All right, it's nighttime. Parents are leaving us. We will see them in the morning when we get ready to leave.
Hey, Debbie. Are we
It was great to have them over. Great night, great time.
You might have just cereal. We have Cheerios that I bought for you guys. And I have bananas.
All right, so we're waiting for Mom to come downstairs with us, and we're gonna have an adventure onto the beach tonight. Here she is, and this is the side street we're on, and off in the way in the distance, you can't really probably see it from now, but there's a lightning show. But weather here is good, and we're going on the beach. There it is, nice and dark. We've never done this before as a family. All right, here we are on the beach. I don't know if you could see anything. Oh, look, there's Emily. And here's Abigail and Mommy. I don't know if you can see them yet. Oh, look, now we can see them. Hi, ladies. Hi, Abigail. No paparazzi shots from you? No paparazzi? Oh, look at the big shadow you're making. Yeah. It looks bigger from here. Yeah, that's our place right there with the lights on. Pretty out here, isn't it, girls? Alright, there's a fisherman right down here to our left, which I'm pointing to, which I don't know if you can see or not. There's fishing trawlers out there on the ocean. 3 or 4 of them. And then here's the moonlight off the ocean. And there's the moon.
I don't know if Daddy, if you watch it, it starts crashing and then the rest starts crashing.
Yep.
Watch.
Oh yeah.
Look, 1, 2, 3, go.
And then there's the city of Ocean City down that way.
Okay, Dad, do you mind turning your light on and stop the video?
Alright, we're gonna put the light back on. Alright girls, made it off the beach. I guess this is gonna be the last part of the vlog from our trip.
Morning?
Well, the morning will be it, but we'll be leaving and heading home, so it won't be as much fun as today was, even though it was kind of low-key today, right?
Yeah, really low-key.
Which was nice. After the past 2 days,
Yeah, I guess.
they were hectic.
Right.
Alright, Abigail, you be the best human being you could be, okay? Bye.
Night.
Good night, everybody.
Okay.